Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to be reviewing the app FaceMagic. This is an app that will swap your face with various pictures, video. You can upload your own videos and pictures and put other people's faces on them, and so let's get into it. Thanks to Nexco, which is the maker of this app. They gave me the premium version of this app to review, so thank you for that. So like I was saying, this is an app that is for swapping faces. Like for instance, I could put my face on Messi's face, Barack Obama's face in a video or a picture. So that's basically one of the features. Another feature is you can upload your own pictures and video and put other people's faces on it. So you could put Donald Trump's face on a picture of you in a video format, a GIF, picture format, whatever. So now that we know the basics of this app, let's take a look at it on the App Store. So here it is, FaceMagic Face Swap Reface app. So 89 ratings, pretty highly rated at 4.9 stars, 12-year-olds and up. This is a fairly new app. It was just released about a week ago. We're on 1.1, and it says one selfie to see the magic, create drama, ruin reality, create custom face swap videos, and up-to-date videos. So remember, this is rated 12 plus for infrequent / mild realistic violence. So let's open it up and take an actual look at it. So here's the app. This is the main page featured. There may be content that you might not like on this page, so I wouldn't recommend looking through it. There is a gun picture, so it could be violent. There may be some inappropriate content that you might not want to see as well, so I wouldn't recommend looking on the featured page or many of these categories, because there may be things you're not comfortable with or that are violent or inappropriate. So I would recommend going to the search page. This is where you can search exactly for what you want and see if they have it. So if you want a picture of videos of Messi, Ronaldo, Donald Trump, Hillary Clinton, whatever, you can go there. Let's do Messi for example. Here's a video of him. So now we can actually try out and see how the face swapping works. So once you find your desired content, tap it. At the bottom you'll see the face swap button. There you can use a recent picture, or you can take a picture, or you can use a demo. We'll just use a picture of me for example, and then we'll push create, and there will take maybe 30 seconds or less to make, most likely. You can save it, you can share it. It'll take a little bit to load, but once it does, you can see yourself. So it can be pretty cool to see your face on your favorite player, your favorite person. So it's pretty cool to see your face or someone else's face on a person of your choice like this. He's my favorite player, and it's pretty cool to see my face on him. You know, it's not perfect, it doesn't resemble me exactly, but you can definitely see my face on him, and it's pretty cool. That's a pretty cool feature. They've done it pretty well. You can save it. It may take a minute or so. Like I was saying, you can share it. So overall, so far, very cool feature, and they did a good job, I would say, of swapping my face onto a video of Messi and putting my face on his. So pretty cool. I think it's done very well. Some places are better than others, but overall great job on that. Let's try one more. We'll search for Ronaldo, and we'll just do a photo this time, and we'll swap my face onto it. And there is your face on top of Ronaldo, and it looks pretty cool, and it's done fairly well as well. So you can save it again or share it. So far, they've done a great job of swapping my face onto other content, onto athletes' faces. So good job to FaceMagic for this. They've done a great job at building this capable software. So now that we've tried putting my face onto content that's in the app, let's try uploading some of our own custom content. So you'll go over to the middle tab, and you'll have to pay for this, but it's only a few dollars for like 10 uploads. They gave me 1,000 to demonstrate and have. So here is some content that I've uploaded. So we'll just take this picture and we'll swap Ronaldo's face, and then we'll put Messi's on it to make some confusion. We'll push create, see how this turns out. And obviously this is a screenshot, so the pictures weren't the best quality. And they can't detect a face there, so it must be the Messi picture. They can tell it's not like a real person that's been distorted. So instead we'll take Messi's face again and we'll replace it with mine and see what happens. So there we go. There is my face on top of Messi's. It doesn't have the highest quality, but the pictures that were already there weren't the highest quality, so that kind of explains it. There you go. That's how you can swap your content with a new face. Let's try it again. And I'm going to swap everyone's face with mine, see what it looks like. So Neymar, Messi, Ronaldo, and Salah will all have my face. Let's see how it looks. So there we go. There's everyone in here with my face. Ronaldo, Messi, Neymar, and Salah. And it kind of looks a little funky, but so obviously the picture quality wasn't the best of the screenshot, so that's a disclosure. But so let's try another upload. So I'm going to try something new. I'm going to take a picture of me and then I'm going to put a demo picture on top of it. So I'm taking a higher quality picture that I have and then putting someone else's face on top of it. So I'm going to just use a demo. Now that this is loaded, this is a picture of me, a high quality picture of me in comparison to that screenshot, and we've replaced it with a demo pic. And as you can see, that is it. It looks pretty realistic, but it does look like it was put on top of another face. As you can tell on the forehead, but otherwise pretty good if you can forget that tan line that the face swapping made. But overall pretty good quality. One thing I'm curious about is what will it do with a pet or a dog. Let's try putting a face on top of it, and it failed. So obviously it can't do pets with this. That's too bad. But so that is the upload your own content features. Here is the profile page where you can see your creations and save them or let them delete after a few days. You can see your favorite content so you never lose it. You can go to settings, see your faces, change them and delete them. You can see the terms of use, privacy policy, support, your account ID, and the version. So overall, this app has some cool features. It was pretty cool how I could swap my face onto Messi's face, and it turned out pretty well. It looked pretty cool and it was satisfying. So they did a pretty good job at it as well. The quality wasn't 100%, but no one expects it to be. And so great job on that. It was pretty cool to see that turn out. I like that you can put your face on GIFs, on videos, pics of other people that they have in the app. So that's pretty cool. The upload feature was also cool. How you could take your content and swap faces around and do stuff like that. They did a pretty good job as well. The quality of the picture, as we've seen, affects whether it can do stuff. If the quality isn't good enough, they might not detect the face or be able to use it enough for some reason. And you can't use pets, that's disappointing. But that one picture where we had my selfie and then we put a demo picture on it, it was pretty good. It was a good job at that. The only thing is, it made a tan line, so it didn't look 100% realistic, which is normal, but it's a cool idea nonetheless. And the profile, it's nice. You can save your content if you forget. Obviously this comes at a price, or you can use it for free. The free version will have likely ads and watermarks, and if you don't pay anything, you can't upload your own content, like a video of somebody and then putting a different face on it, so you can't do that. But you can obviously do what I did of taking content that they had and then putting your face on. You can do that, so that is nice. So we've gone over the good qualities and what I liked about this. What I don't like about this as much is that the pricing strategy is a little complicated. How you can pay for uploads, but then there's also you can pay to not have watermarks and such, which is nice. You don't have to necessarily pay $25 a month or whatever the price may be, but it does make for a little more complication. But it's nice people have their choice, so that's a neutral spot. What I don't like is the content in the app. So there's obviously cool stuff like Messi and things, but then there's stuff that is not as favorable, like there's someone holding a gun that looks violent. There may be inappropriate things as well. My suggestion would just be don't look too much in the featured movies, music, whatever, especially the models. Just go to the search and search for what you want. think of some things that you want to do and then go from there, but don't browse around too much in photos and videos because there may be things you don't want to see. So overall, great app. They did a great job. The technology is great. I appreciate that. Good job, FaceMagic, on the implementation of faces onto other people's faces and such. You guys did a great job with that. I like the feature set of being able to upload your own content or being able to use content in the app. And most of all, I like the results, so great job at that. I'm neutral on the pricing and the content. I wish you guys would work on that a bit, but I'm glad you've put categories so people can choose whether or not to go to certain places. But my suggestion for the viewers would be to search and not browse around in featured and tabs and such. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please leave a like, comment any questions you have. Please subscribe if you like this content, and it encourages me to make more. So thank you to the makers of FaceMagic for giving me the premium version to make this video. Thanks guys, goodbye.